our session today, we will be having percentiles of group data. This is very similar with what we had with quartiles and deciles. So you are very familiar already with our formula. So we have here the percentile formula, and you have noticed that our denominator is now 100. Okay, the denominator is now 100. So take note, L is the lower boundary of the class that contains the percentile. The K here is any value from 1 to 99. N is the total frequency. CF, that's the cumulative frequency before the class that contains the percentile. F is the frequency of the class where the percentile is located. And I is the class size. Now let's begin with our first example. So we are going to be solving for the 83rd percentile. Okay? Now, first thing to do is what? What are you going to do first?
Just like n over 100.
Before having that?
CF.
CF. Okay, let's find CF first. So we will begin with 3. After 3, what should be written below 3?
9.
9. Below 9?
14.
14. Below 14?
20.
20. Below 20? 28. Below 28? 30. So what's the value of our K? 83 will be the value of our K, right? So the value of our K will be 83. What about the value of N? N is 30.
30.
Okay.
30.
Now, computing katong gisulti sa inyong classmate a while ago, that's Kn over 100. So you'll have 83 times 30 divided by 100. You'll get 24.9. Now, where is this 24.9 located? Which CF does this belong?
28.
28. There you have it. So our class containing the 83rd percentile is this. So what is the value of L? Using 70.
69.5.
Okay, that's 69.5, correct. What about the CF? What's the value of the CF?
20.
20 will be the CF, correct. What about the F?
8.
8 will be the value of F. What about the class size?
5, sir.
That's 55 minus 50, that's 5. So substituting everything to our formula, you're gonna have that. So subtract na tong denominator, you'll get 4.9. Then multiply 4.9 by 5 divided by 8 is how much? 4.9 times 5 divided by 8 is how much?
3.06, sir.
3.0625 or 3.06 will do. Plus 69.5.
72.5.
72.5625. Or you can have this as 72.56. You can have this one also. Okay? Any questions about our first example? Clear? Okay, let's proceed to our second example. Let's compute the 35th percentile. Just like what we did a while ago, we will be solving the CF. So starting with 3, 9, 14, 20, 28, and 30. So our K is 35. Our N is 30. So using Kn over 100, so you will be having 35 times 30 divided by 100, that's 10.5. So 10.5 belongs to this class over here, 60 to 64. Okay? The first number in the CF that is greater than 10.5 is 14. That's why I am using this class over here. So our L is simply 59.5. That's 60 minus 0.5, 59.5. Then our CF is 9. Our F is 5. And our class size, that's I, that's still 5. Substituting everything to our formula, that will be our solution there. So substituting that, then you subtract 10.5 and 9, you'll get 1.5. So solving 1.5 times 5 divided by 5, you'll get 1.5 for that. Plus plus 59.5, you're gonna get 61 for the 35th percentile.